Home Inspector Pro already made things so easy in the field, but now with the new template cloud sync feature, it made everything easier right here in the office too. Watch how simple this is for owners of multi-inspector firms who are using Home Inspector Pro to update templates for their entire team. And when I tell you it's easy, I mean it is a cakewalk. Step 1, open up Home Inspector Pro right there on your desktop, whether it's Windows or Mac. Step 2, come on over here to this little icon that says Cloud Sync, click on that. Come to Upload Templates, scroll on down to the template that you want to upload to the cloud, whether that's a WTO template, a wind mitigation template for citizens insurance, or in this case, we'll just use Residential Template 1. Automatically, you can see that the process takes over right there and it moves that template straight to the cloud. Come on down here to Manage Templates, click on that. It'll pull everything that's available right there. Come over to the icon that says Share. Click Add Inspectors, and you can then select anybody on your team to whom you want to push this update. We'll pick Dan and Jason here. Click Add Selected Inspectors, and there you go. And if you're on the receiving end of that update, all you have to do is click Download, and you can download the template that's available to you right there in the cloud. So there you go. It's a cakewalk, right? I told you. Now your whole team is up to date and ready to go on the same page, whether on their desktop or on the mobile with the new Cloud Sync template feature. And this just adds on to a host of incredible other features that have been added in the last several releases, which makes Home Inspector Pro more powerful than it's ever been. That includes things like being able to add images to pop-up glossaries and the AI-powered report translation, which can translate your inspection report into 6 different languages. Pretty freaking cool. So if you haven't done it yet, go download version 6.9 of Home Inspector Pro so you can get your team optimized in here so they can be doing what they do best out there in the field.